Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe in Firecracker Red. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 1,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, Rock Track heavy-duty full-time four-wheel drive system, Sky one-touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7407.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.